1 second, just I have to record this. Yeah, it's regarding unit number 2, progressions. As okay, as it is understood, progressions or progress to means to say to continue or to move on or just to follow in a sequential manner. And mathematically, progressions refers to what is called as mathematical sequence or sequence of orders. It is called as mathematical order of either increment either increment one second, either increment or decrement. Either increment or decrement of numbers. It is called as a sequence. Sequence means a series, mathematical series, which follows an order. Which follows an order. Orderly something changes. There is a proper regulatory framework to decide the mathematical series, to decide the mathematical series or sequence. Now in this chapter number 2, we are going to decide, we are going to study about such kind of order. There are 3 basic type of such orders, regulator framework, what I said. Okay, one is called as AP. It is called as arithmetic progression. Okay, sorry, it is arithmetic progression. Next is called as GP. Okay, some geometric progression. And there is one more thing that is called as HP. We call it as harmonic progression. Okay, generally in business, okay, we have something called as analyzing the business trend, or what is the trend of variation with regard to your sales, with regard to your profit, with regard to your what is called as the growth. Okay, there is something called a CAGR, cumulative annual growth rate. Is a concept. Just I'm giving you an example. If you say cumulative annual growth rate, okay, how it is increasing or decreasing, whether it is going down, whether your business is okay, improving or not improving, and what is the kind of variation, okay, what sort of order it follows. Okay, in order to understand all such kind of things, okay, you need to have bit of knowledge about, okay, the variation or the sequence of numbers, because your profit and sales and revenue and all of those things are represented in quantitative terms, and you need to know about the basics of these variations. And the first one is AP, the second one is called as GP, the third one is called HP. These are all three most important in general basic kind of series. Basic kind of series. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ okay not able to okay follow English, okay, somebody also told me directly that okay ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಂತೆ. what to do, I also use Kannada in between, okay, being our mother tongue. Okay, I don't I'm not hesitated to use okay the mother tongue for those people, for the benefit of those people who are not okay so well comfortable with the English explanation. Okay, I'm just here to make you to understand. That's it. Language is not not at all a problem. ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it is a kind of series, a kind of variation ಅಂತ. It is a kind of variation, or it is a kind of sequence. How the number gets changed, how the number gets varied anta. Okay, and if you say how the number gets varied or changed, okay, that depends on some regulatory framework. ಅದೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಜನರಲಿ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಮ್ as progression. To progress means okay to continue anta. To progress means to continue. Okay, how to continue, or what is the source of its continuation, how it is decided, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ okay ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ, there are three categories to be understood. Okay, these three categories na ondina we call it as AP, that is called as arithmetic progression. The second one when we call it as GP, that is called as geometric progression. Third one we call it as HP, that is called as harmonic progression. Okay, AP, GP, HP na kannadalli ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹಂಗಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, AP ಅಂದ್ರೆ arithmetic progression, okay, GP ಅಂದ್ರೆ geometric progression, HP ಅಂದ್ರೆ harmonic progression. Okay, any questions in this basic understanding? Any questions?
No questions, sir.
Any questions? Hello, anybody? How the series gets varied anta, what is the order of its variation? Because yeah, Moksha, any question? I heard no. Yeah, tell me.
No questions, sir.
No questions. Okay, fine then. Now, what do I mean by AP? Anybody? Okay, you have to take the title as AP. I'll show the slide. Okay, maybe after some time. Let us have the basic understanding of the series. What is AP? Can anybody tell me? Arithmetic progression, how it is decided? Hello? What is AP? Say whether you know or don't know. Yes or no?
Sir, I think AP
Sir, a
is a
number
sequence of
sequence.
numbers which have a constant difference between them, sir. Like the difference between them is defined.
Yeah. 2, 4, 6,
8,
8,
10,
10. It just
12.
continues. Now look at this. There is a beginning number. You understood? Okay. The beginning number we call it as A is equal to 2. Okay. And the constant difference 2, 2, 2, 2, right? It is plus 2. And the difference we call it as D is equal to 2. And how many terms are there in this sequence? And now N is equal to 5. See, there are 5 terms. Correct? Okay, if A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 2 and N is equal to 5 and like that, okay, we can define. And based on this, we can define what is called as nth term of an AP. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And let me check this. Okay, Tn, I want to know what is the value of the fifth term, T5. Okay, now what is A here? 2. Okay, plus. What is the value of N? Okay, that is 5. Minus 1.
5.
Okay, what is 2? What is difference? 2. Now, T5, that is T5. T5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is how much? 8. Now that is equal to 10. Understood? Hello? This is called as nth term of an AP.
Sir, can you use whiteboard and teach us?
I don't have whiteboard here at my home.
No, sir, in Teams only there is an option of using whiteboard.
Okay. For that, do I need any other? One second. I'll try with that. Okay, wait. Share. Desktop window whiteboard. Okay. Anybody is doing this? Hello, Moksha. Anybody is using this whiteboard?
No, sir, till now nobody used.
Till now, nobody use. I'll try. Collaborate and everyone okay. I can do that. Okay, present it. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. This is T N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. If this is N ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡದೆ. Write down this formula. Nth term of an AP. That is, 1 second. N minus 1 into T. Write down this. Now, okay, if you say the example here, Tn I write this as T5 is equal to, what is your first term? What is the first term there? Can anybody tell me? What is the first term? 2, right?
Yeah, sir.
Plus n minus 1. What is n? Number of terms? 5. Minus 1. And d is 2. Now this is equal to, okay, 1 second. This is 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. And that is equal to 10. Have you understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
This is
Yeah.
This is what is called as nth term of a AP. This is write down. Yeah, okay, I cannot just type it everything there. Okay, you can look at my chat box. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Write down. Nth term of an AP. Okay, just 1 second. Give me a 1 or 2 minutes time. I'll give you the definition of progressions and AP. I have the slide with me. 1 second. Just be there. Okay, have you copied all of this? Hello?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you copied it? I'll use
Yes, sir.
whiteboard. I'll use PPT. I'll use chat box. Okay, whichever that is comfortable to you, you can follow that. Okay, whenever that is possible to solve the things on no simplified manner, I can use whiteboard. This is the formula. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that is T5 I said. 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 2. 2 plus 8, that is equal to 10. This is what exactly, okay, we have written. This is fifth term is 10. And the same thing is proved here, T5. Understood? This is all
Yeah,
basic things, man. Okay, see this AP and GP, I think probably I've learned it maybe in your 9th or 10th standard, initial stages. Okay, now give me some time and let me share my PPT, okay, on progressions. 1 second, be there. Now write down this progressions. Write down this progression. Write down this definition. AP is defined as, write down please, AP is defined as the sequence of numbers or mathematical series with the first term and constant common difference. And constant common difference. And constant common difference. Okay, here common difference is same. Now, after having this definition for AP, you can take the example. For example, okay, you can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it continues now. This is an example for AP. Can you give me one more example for AP with some other numbers? Here, first term, that is A, is equal to 2. Okay, common difference. Common difference, that is called as D, is equal to 2. That is second term minus first term, third term minus second term, like that. If you just go on, okay, you'll get the difference as 2. And N is equal to number of terms in the series. Number of terms in the series. Yeah, look at this. Srikanth is also written one more series. 5, 10, 15, 20. Here, A is equal to 5. Okay, common difference is equal to 5. Now, N is equal to, okay, N is equal to 5. Any other examples? Any other examples from Sumaid, Arvind, Mayur, Moksha?
Sir, 10,
4,
20, 30,
8.
40, 50, 60.
Yeah, yes. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Here, okay, Moksha's example I'm taking. Okay, here A is equal to 4. That is your first term. And common difference is 4. B is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4. 20 minus 16 is 4. And okay, here N is equal to 5. Okay, the one which follows such kind of order, previous example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Here, A is equal to, can anybody tell me what is A value here? What is A? What is A, first term?
3.
3.
3.
Yeah, common difference.
3.
3. Yeah, number of terms. N. N is equal to what? N is equal to 5. Okay. Now, there is one more term. We call it as Tn is equal to nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. Of an AP. Nth term of an AP is called as Tn. Tn is defined as Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Questions on this nth term of AP are most common, frequently asked, either for 5 marks or 10 marks. And it is very easy. Understood? Followed?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
after these definitions, you write progression. Okay, formulas to remember. Below the title, you write down formulas to remember. Tn is equal to nth term of an AP, that is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And second formula, sum of n terms of an AP. Formula number 2. Okay, sum of n terms of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You write down number 1, number 2, number 3. Please tell me you have any queries or questions. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You know what is a, what is d, what is n. Sn is sum. Tn andre last term anta karitivi ಅಥವಾ nth term anta karitivi. Sn andre sum of the terms anta karitivi. S refers to sum up to n terms. Understood? Any questions? Okay, you write down. I'll write the sum of n terms formula by using a whiteboard. Okay, after copying this. Okay, have we copied all the 3 formula? Hello?
No, sir, not at doing so.
Please
No,
copy
sir.
it. Please copy it quickly. Copied? Shall I use my whiteboard to write the second formula and simplify how exactly you arrive at the different formats of your Sn? Shall I go for that? Yeah, just 1 minute time. I cannot use the PPT and the whiteboard simultaneously. I need to switch over to, okay, wow, this whiteboard sharing. Wait a minute. One second, I'm erasing the previous one. Now, take the title as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Write down this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it visible, all of you?
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Have we copied it?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah. Yeah, tell me. Any
Copy.
questions? Any questions?
Sir, this is the sum of the nth term, sir. Nth
Yeah.
term, sir.
Sum of n terms of an AP.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I go up to 100 terms. Okay. Then what is the sum? You can calculate it very
Sir,
easily.
100 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. 100 minus 1 into 2.
Yeah. There is a very famous story behind this. One by name, very famous mathematician called as Gauss, Gauss. Do you know the name of this man?
Yes, sir. Gauss theorem.
Gauss theorem. Gauss, when Gauss was the student, he was very mischievous in the class, ante. Very mischievous. Okay, troubling the teachers very much. Aga teacher bandu heltare, you write all the numbers from 1 to 100 and you add them all the numbers and you have to give me the sum 1 to 100, all the numbers, and then add it and give it to me. This man Gauss used it in a more simple manner, applied such kind of sequential theory application, and has given the result quickly. Okay, that was the base for identifying how the progression gets varied and to simplify. Okay, Gauss was no, this was the knowledge of the Gauss. Based on this Gauss theorem and all, this mathematical series got developed. You know about this Gauss? Okay, if you don't have any idea about this Gauss, okay, Gauss ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ತರಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪಟ ಮಣಿಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್, ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ನೋ ನಾಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 1 ರಿಂದ 100 ವರೆಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹಾಫ್ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್, ಹೋಲ್ ಡೇ, and you have to give me the answer. This particular man solves it within 5 minutes. The teacher gets astonished. And from that day onwards, this Gauss becomes very much favorite to the teacher. And Gauss is a very famous mathematician. Okay, even today, okay, we have so many theorems available in the name of Gauss, and Gauss has made great impressions in the area of both science, mathematics, and even engineering. And the same thing is taken to your business. That's it. Okay, understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Now, let me continue with the same formula. Sn can be further simplified as n by 2. Okay. 2a can be written as what? A plus a, right? 2a can be written as a plus a. Agreed? Agreed or not?
Agreed, sir.
Yeah. A plus a n minus 1 into d. Right? I'm doing just a part of the simplification. I'm writing, yeah, 1 second, I'll just come to your image. Just give me 2 minutes or so. N by 2, 2a, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Agreed, right? Now, what I do, I have, okay, one more bracket here, a small bracket here. Look at this, a plus n minus 1 into d. We have a unique writing for this one. N by 2 a plus, what is a plus n minus 1 into d? What can be replaced here? Hello? A plus n minus 1 into d, we have something
Sir, T.
a plus tn, right?
Yes, sir.
This is what exactly it is written. You can write, this is how exactly it is simplified. Write down the three equations, and the three equations in three different formats. All are right, all are same, but in different shape, different formats, different kind of usages. If you know Tn and n and a, you can find the sum. If you know Tn, if you know the last term, if you know the first term, and if you know its total number of terms, you can find its sum. Okay, let me take the same example of what is called as 1 to 100. 1 to 100, there are how many terms? There are 100 terms, right? Okay, what is the common term? What is the common term here?
1, sir.
Sir, you mean?
Yes, 100 I am doing now. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay, I'll put it like this. 1 to 100. Now, yes, 100. This is equal to, n is 100, right? 100 by 2. This is what exactly Gauss did. 100 by 2. 2a. 2 into a. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus n minus 1. 100 minus 1. 99. Into what's the common difference? That is 1, right? Hello? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
100
sir.
by 2 is 50. Into 99 plus 2, 110. What is the answer now? 50 into 110. 5,000. 50 into 110, how much? Hello?
5,500.
5,000.
500.
110 into 50, whatever that you get, 5500. Right? Is it right? Hello? Any questions?
No questions, sir.
I think you are following, right?
Following, sir.
Yeah. Yes, n by 2, S10, 10 by 2, 2a, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 2. Okay, 4 plus 18, 22 into 5. Yeah, you're right. That's it, man. That's it, Moksha. N is equal to 10, A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, and apply and substitute it in the formula and then simplify it. You're right, Moksha. Moksha, it's right. Very good. Hello. I'll just continue with the problem. I'm not using the whiteboard now. I have the problem already there with me solved. In case if you require, okay, I'll use this whiteboard so that to simplify it again. Okay, see there I'll not get the well-controlled writing because I'm using the mouse to drag and okay, drop the letters on the board, and because of this not well-controlled mouse movements, you may get it the writing may not be so legible. Yeah, take this first problem. We are writing what is called as first problem. Problem number 1. Is it visible? Find 15th term of the series 35, 39, 43, and just it goes on. Find T15. Find 15th term of the series 35, 39, 43, dash dash. Say, look at the solution there. Without writing it elaborately, you can do a smart work and you can get the answer. What is the answer? Apply the formula. T15. T15 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, what is A? What is A here? 35. Plus, what is N? How many numbers are there? 35, 39, 43. Up to 15 terms we have there. N is equal to 15. 15th term you have to find out. T15. Okay, that is A plus 15 minus 1 is 14. Okay, into common difference is 4. $35 plus 56. 91. Is it right? Yeah, very good. Good, Moksha, you did it. I hope you are getting it right. Yes? Hello? You need to be solved it on whiteboard? Or is it okay? Anybody?
Sir, you show it on the whiteboard once, sir.
Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Be there.
Okay, sir.
I'll just switch over to whiteboard. Give me one chance. And whiteboard, where it is. Okay. It takes time to switch over from PPT to whiteboard. Network is quite slow. It is taking time to enable the whiteboard. Something went wrong, will not be recorded. Okay.
Sir,
Sir, we have one
Have
more
next
class
class,
now,
sir.
like only Hindi students.
Okay, what's the time now?
You teach us tomorrow, sir.
So
It's
1 o'clock, sir.
12:57.
12:50. Okay.
7, sir.
Okay, I'll just close it then. I'm not aware of the no, it's already, yeah. I'm just closing it.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so it
sir.
is taking so much of time from okay PPT to whiteboard switch over ge tumba time tagolta ide. I'll just close it. Okay, 1 second, I'll just stop the recording.
Fine, sir. You